Hi everyone, Wygo Warrior here, aka Julie, and it's that time of the month. Ipsy unboxing. I am hearing my husband come down the stairs making a lot of noise, so be right back. Hi everyone, I'm Wygo Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing the May 2020 unboxing of Ipsy Plus. For those who may not know, Ipsy is a beauty subscription box that arrives at your door monthly. They have 3 different subscription models. One is $12 a month, and you receive 5 products. 1, possibly 2, maybe full size, but typically they are travel size or deluxe sample sizes. The $25 a month box is the Ipsy Plus, and that is what I subscribe to, and you receive 5 full-size products. They also have a $50 a month box, the Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate, where you receive 12 products. 8 products are full size and 4 products are travel or deluxe sample. If you're interested in seeing what I got in this month's box, then keep on watching. This is what the box looks like. I'm excited. Ipsy's gonna have a lot of competition. If you haven't already, check out my BoxyCharm unboxing. BoxyCharm knocked it out of the park this month. This is what the inside of the box looks like. Is there a card? Yes. Okay, so here's the card. And it looks like this month's theme is glow. Inside the card are the just product descriptions as well as prices. The first product, this is called Mudmasky. It is an after mask vitamin serum. Ooh, it's pH balance, extra smoothing, anti-aging, feeding, reading, breeding, what does that say? Protecting and moisturizing. I'm going to read the card because I don't know what that second to the last word said. Alright, what is this? This is not the card. This is an advert. Ipsy, you know I don't like that. This happened to me, it was either February or March. They did not give me a card. I do not like when they don't give me a card. Or is this the card and there are just no prices? I am so confused. What is this? Is this skincare or makeup? It's going to be a long video. It says it's a... after mask. Oh. I don't use face masks. But if it's a good serum... Alright, I'm going to do some research online and link the ingredients, any information, the price I can find about this product here. We are not off to a good start. Next product. This is Mimosa Moment Eyeshadow Palette. Oh, that's not what I thought this was. For some reason I thought it was going to be false eyelashes. Again, no card. It does on the back say that it's vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, and gluten-free. So, that is nice. Ooh, the packaging nice. This is the colored Raine. Right up my alley. Alright, the rest of you are probably going to be bored to tears, but those shades are right up my alley. Alright, feeling a little better. I like the compact size that you get 6 shades 4 are matte and 2 are shimmer, and it comes with a mirror. Very nice. Okay. Next item, Girlactik. Never-ending box. There we go. What is this? I swear I saw this on their site when I was shopping for add-ons. This is Skin Glow Moonlight. I'm going to assume it's a highlighter. And you get 2 shades. This one looks more like a blush, or at least on my skin tone. Would be a blush or a blush topper, but... Alright, next product. Oh, the famous Wander Beauty. Is this a mascara? What is this? It's from Wander Beauty. It's in clear. Is it going to be a lip gloss or an eyebrow? Well, I'm going to assume it's an eyebrow based off of this really teeny tiny brush. Okay, so that's nice because I don't really do my eyebrows. But if I did, I'd like it to be clear. Okay. Alright. Next product is from Tarte. Interesting. BoxyCharm had an item from Tarte as well. What is this? Lip paint. Tarteist lip paint in the shade Homeslice. Okay. I think I'm gonna like it based off of the... Oh my god. I find these tiny boxes the most difficult to open. I like opening them without ripping, but... And then for whatever reason, if you go to the opposite side, sometimes that works. Oh yeah. Namaste. Oh. So this is either gonna work really well, or I think it's going to work well, and then it's going to look like caca. So on camera, it's looking more deeper and more orange. It's more salmon in my hand. On camera, it looks more pumpkin. Let's do a swatch. Now it's pretty... If brick and pumpkin and sunset had a baby, that's what it would look like. Well, got strawberry blonde hair, freckles. I like to avoid orange. I've already swapped it, so we might as well put it on my lips. It's not horrid. It's not neon. I can make it work. Alright, last item is the bag. I swear these bags get smaller and smaller and smaller. We have a, not even a rainbow, I guess it's an ombre, but between yellow and blue. This is the sandy beach and the blue sky. It's a weird color combination in my opinion. The inside is yellow and we have a lovely tassel. If you've watched any of my videos, you know how I feel about Ipsy. I'm always this close to canceling, and then they'll sneak in a month that's okay. This is not one of those months. Let's recap on what we got. First, let's start with what we didn't get, and that's a card. We got what I would consider a not so lovely bag. It's like faux leather. Not even, more vinyl, I guess, vinyl. We got an after mask vitamin serum. We got a clear brow gel. We got a liquid lip paint from Tarte. We got a highlighter duo from Girlactik. And an eyeshadow palette called Mimosa Moment from Colored Raine. My BoxyCharm was so good this month. It's really hard for me to not be a little biased. The eyeshadow looks decent. Oh, I forgot to, let me swatch them. I could swatch this as well. This is what the swatches look like. Here's the very, very pale bone color. Here's kind of a light copper shimmer, kind of an orangey, light tangerine, copper brown. So this is nice. Alright, the Girlactik surprised me. It is not a powder highlighter like I thought. It's a cream highlighter. Let's do a swatch. And I thought it would be too dark for me, but since it's a cream, I don't even know if this will show up. So there's the kind of blushy shade, and there's the champagne-y shade. And if this was on top of foundation and you blended it in, I think I could actually wear both shades. I'm not mad at that one anymore. You know, this isn't bad. Just compared to my Boxy, it's, and this bag is ugly. So, 1, 2, actually I like all these products, and we'll use all of these products. They don't blow me out of the water like my BoxyCharm. I'm just being honest, so I can't wait to film my side-by-side comparison. Oh, that's going to be fun. Alright, leave your comments down below. Do you think I'm being too picky? I am a little upset that I'm going to have to look up all these products and in editing add in all the prices to come up with a total. It is what it is. Alright, thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. Please leave a comment. Even if you hate me, hate the video, leave any kind of comment, please. Alright, thank you so much. I'll see you next time.